Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Keto and the Chaos. My name is Tammy, and this is an episode of What to Eat Wednesday. Yes, I'm aware that it's Friday again. So sorry about that. I am working on it. It's really crazy, so it's a miracle if I get any of these videos out, honestly. What time is it? 7:30 in the morning. The kids aren't up yet, so I'm just making this little intro and outro for my video so that I can finally get it done. Anyway, let's get to the food.
Small fries.
All right, well, the dance thing is over, and it was great, but it is very late at night again. It's like 10:40, and I am again going to go for the same salad and wings that I had last night in the other video. Wait, that was the other video anyway. So I'm having a 9-piece hot sauce wing and a side salad with blue cheese, and that's going to be my last meal of the day. Gonna have this spaghetti squash, and in here I have some cream cheese, 1 ounce of cream cheese, and some chicken, 1 ounce of mozzarella cheese, a little bit of ragu, Alfredo sauce, and a few pepperonis. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so I went to Arby's tonight and I ordered the 3 cheese Angus without a bun and without the onions. And I thought with 3 different cheeses, I'd have like some cheese. And there's like this teensy amount of cheese on the bottom. It's supposed to have Gouda, Swiss, and cheddar, I think. That's pretty depressing. It doesn't even look like 3 full slices. I don't think this is going to be enough protein. I'm going to have this side salad. So I stopped and grabbed a pack of peanuts to make up for my protein, but I don't even know if I'll eat them all, and it's probably not enough. But I'm going to eat it because got to eat. Okay, so my breakfast today is a little bit different than I usually do. Not completely different, but a little different because I was completely out of yogurt. So it's a little lower in protein than I would like. It's only 45 grams of protein for this meal, and it's higher than fat that I would like. It's about 55 grams of fat for this meal, but this is what I have on hand because we need to go grocery shopping, so I guess this is what I'm going to eat. 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of whole milk mozzarella cheese, 72 grams of center cut bacon, and 1 packet of holy guacamole. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Okay, so 3 hours later, I'm having meal number 2. This is a double Dave's burger, no bun, at Wendy's, and a side salad. And that's going to be my second meal of the day. I'm probably going for 3 today. And third meal of the day, last meal of the day, is going to be these really delicious chicken kebabs and a side salad. I am at Astro Burger, and I gave my kids the flatbread and the fries that came with this meal. Good Saturday morning. I am just getting ready to head off to Shakespeare, and this is going to be my first meal of the day. 44 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 227 grams of Chobani 0% Greek yogurt, sweetened with a lemonade Mio, and that's going to be my first meal of the day. Tonight I am having my favorite chicken and zoodles with ragu, Alfredo sauce on top. I've got 2 ounces of mozzarella cheese, 1.5 cups of zucchini noodles, 6 ounces of chicken breast, and that is going to be my last meal of the day. Hello everyone, happy Sunday. This is going to be my first meal of the day. 227 grams of 0% Chobani Greek yogurt, sweetened with orange vanilla Mio, 60 grams of bacon. I was in the mood for a lot of bacon today. 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 2 fried eggs, and a cup of Creole brew, sweetened with stevia and half and half. And that is going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, I have here 6 ounces of top round roast that Chef Dave made, some roasted cauliflower with 1 ounce of cheddar cheese, and a lovely green salad with 2 tablespoons of ranch dressing. And that is going to be my lovely Sunday dinner's last meal of the day. Alrighty, so here is going to be my first meal for this Monday morning. I can't even remember what day it is. And I just burned myself on bacon grease, so ow, on my side. So forgive me for not being super chipper. Anyway, same thing as always, 40 grams of center cut bacon, 2 fried eggs, an ounce of provolone cheese, 227 grams of Fage 0% Greek yogurt with lemonade meal. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. All right, so here is going to be my dinner. I have 8-ounce salmon fillet and 2 cups of zucchini cooked with olive oil. And then because that's still pretty low in fat, I am going to go ahead and have a Lily's Blood Orange chocolate bar. And you can see that's 17 fat per serving, so that's pretty good fat for my meal. And that is going to be the last meal of the day. All right, everyone, happy, what day is it? Tuesday? Yeah, this is the last day of this video. All right. It's after 1 o'clock and I'm finally having my first meal. Today I'm having 200 grams of Chobani 0% Greek yogurt with orange vanilla meal, 1 ounce of provolone cheese, 2 fried eggs, and 60 grams of center cut bacon. And that's going to be my first meal of the day. Alrighty, we're out to eat again at JCW's, and I am going to be having this delicious salad with some blue cheese dressing and some hot wings, blue cheese also. And that's going to be my last meal of the day.
Alright, well there you have it, what I eat in a week. I'm doing a little bit different version of keto than you'll probably see on most channels. I do a little higher protein and a little lower fat in order to promote muscle retention and fat loss. And it's working really great for me. So I hope you guys, if you have any questions, will let me know. I hope you will join us over on our Facebook group, Keto Chaos. And I hope you will follow me on Instagram, also Keto Chaos. And I will help you the best that I can. I want everybody to be successful. That's the whole reason I'm making this channel, is to help other people. So you guys keep me accountable, but I also like helping you. So come on over to Facebook and hang out with us. That's all I have for you today. We'll talk to you again soon.